Alright guys, so in this tutorial I'm gonna show you how you can create AI avatar videos in Google Vids. So it's actually very simple. What you have to do is just go to your Chrome or whatever browser you're using and you need to type in vids.new. Just go right over here and this will open up. Now you can just use VO 3.1 and get started. And obviously you need a AI plan for this, so if you're using VO 3.1 just go for AI Pro, but if you just want normal features you can just use this, okay? But as for the start, you can just describe your video. I'm just typing something random and I can just generate. So it's just gonna generate my clip. So you actually need to give it a full description. I'm just showing it for the sake of this video, but yeah, you can just directly create your AI avatar by just doing that and it's just gonna generate. You can also add your own ingredients, and right over here, if you really need the actual AI avatar feature, you need to upgrade if you want to use this feature. So just upgrade and you're good to go. But yeah, that's pretty much it. You can use these options and you're good to go. So I hope this really helped you out. I'll see you soon next one.